Hey guys, welcome to Joko Outdoors. I'm Brian, and today we're going to be filming one of our camping videos. We're actually going to unbox the Camco Rhino tank. It's a holding tank that you dump all of your black tank and gray tank water into. I've been wanting one for a long time, so I'm extremely excited. I'm super stoked about this. Crazy words coming from a good old country boy and everything. But I want to unbox this because I think this is something that every camper needs to have. If you have an RV, if you have a travel trailer, if you have a motor home, anything like that, I think this is essential. And I've been wanting one for a few years now. We finally got one. We ended up getting it off of Amazon. It was on sale for $88. So once it went on sale for $88, I could not resist but to get it. Usually this tank is a 21-gallon tank. Usually this tank's about 150 bucks or more. And so they had it on sale for 88 bucks. Typically whenever I have the money for it, they're never there. They're always gone. They sell out really fast, but I was able to get one this year. God bless me with one. If you want to see more RV essentials, in the upper right hand corner, take a look at that video up there in the upper right hand corner. Click on that. It's the 10 most needed, 10 most popular RV essentials. So go check that out. If you are new here, we thank you for tuning in with us. Don't forget to subscribe, like, hit the notification bell, leave a comment below, and share our videos. We appreciate each and every one of you. Now we're going to get to the unboxing of this tote tank. All right, let's get to it. Okay, guys, so we have here, let me back up a little bit, see if I can show you. We have here the Rhino Tote Tank Portable RV Waste Tank Kit. This is made by Camco. You guys who watch us, any one of you guys know that I'm a Camco fan. I think they have some of the best product out there. Since I've been camping, I use their stuff religiously. So I had to get this. Like I said, it was on sale. What comes in here, you have the tank, you have the connection hose to hook up to the tank, you've got this little hook right here that you hook up to the tank, and then the ring connects to the hitch on your truck, so you can just pull this straight to the dump station. You don't have to worry about pulling your entire RV, your motor home, your travel trailer. You don't have to worry about pulling that over there. One more good thing about this, you do not have to worry about your tote tanks filling up, your black tank filling up, or your gray tank filling up in the middle of your camping trip. If it fills up, you dump it in here, you take it to the dump station, you dump this out, and you call it good. That's one reason why I want this, because when we go camping, we are always trying to, just say, hey, we got to check the tanks, make sure we don't use them too much, because we can't, pull the camper out and go dump it and then back right in. They'll think we've left. So I've been wanting one of these for a long time. So let's get this thing open and see what's in here. All right, we're going to open up everything, we're going to take it all out, and then I'll talk to you about what's in here. Alright guys, so we have this tank here. We've got it opened up. Let's see. You got this little tag right here. It says, stop, please read. If any parts are missing or damaged, please call us directly. And then they give you their phone number to call them. Keep this card for any warranty related inquiries. It says the date was 12/22/20. First shift. Station was, I don't know, something IC. That's what it looks like, SIC maybe. So we're going to save this because it tells us to. It says to save it for warranty purposes. So you have, in here you have the tank. You can see it's a pretty good tank. Right here, they designed this for this to set right on the ladder of your RV. So you have your travel trailer, this sets right on the ladder. You got a strap that you can strap around. I don't know if this comes with a strap or not. I don't think it does. But you can just get a ratchet strap. It's got little slots right here. You put your little ratchet strap around this and strap it to your ladder on your RV. Okay, so this is the tool I was talking about. You use this tool right here, and what you do is you go up under the handle. Okay, so you go up under the handle like this, and then it sets right there, and this ring, see if you guys can see that, this ring right here sets right on the hitch, and you just pull it straight to the dump station. All right. Now, it also has a black tank flush hose, so you hook this right up here. Okay, and then you can hook this up to the water hose, flush this thing right out. Right here, let's see. Loosen cap for venting. So you loosen this up for venting. Okay, so here's your spray rinse. Okay, so now you hook it straight up right here. I don't know exactly what that is. Let's see if we can figure out what that's for. You also have this accessory. Oh, okay, here you go. Here's your cap. Your cap's inside here. It'd help if we'd open up everything. All right. So your cap, I believe, cap goes right there, and you have this one right here. All right, then you're supposed to open this for venting. What that says, it says open for venting, so everything just flows out properly. You have your hose right here. Now you can take this hose, you can hook it up to, you hook this end up to your, this end up to your flush valve, you know, where your drain valve is at. You hook this up to that pipe, and then you hook this up. So they give you two. So you hook this up right here, on here. That's good. There we go. And then this hooks up to your RV. Okay. So you dump everything in from the RV into here. And then when you get to the dump station, you hook this end up just like you would if you were dumping your RV. You hook this end up right here, like that, and then this goes right at the dump station port. So you put that right inside there, dumps everything out. You got these caps here to put on all this. All right, you got two caps. That one goes there. I'm gonna put this one here. Just don't want anything getting inside these. Looks like we got some little rivets right here. I'll have to look and see what those are for. And then you hook all this together. Come on. Maybe this don't go over this one. Let's see what it goes over. Well, no, I'd have to go over this one. There it goes. A little tight. Maybe it goes to the other end. Nope. Just gotta go over this end. There we go. Just like that. Alright, so you got these on each end, and then these, just store these somewhere. You know, honestly, I really think they should give more of these caps right here so you can put them on each end of this right here. Probably need 3 more caps, but I guess the way they're saying it, you're just putting this inside the storage where you would store all your other stuff. Let's see, what is 12? Lanyards, my apologies. Yeah. That's what these are for. You just use these to snap onto these pieces right here. All right, guys. So I was a little mistaken on the lanyards. I went back and I started looking through, and I'm gonna show you guys real quick what these lanyards are actually for, because I know some of you guys are gonna have questions and say, hey, what are those lanyards for? So I figured it out. Before we end the video, let's take a quick look at this. I'm gonna get you guys down here back on the floor again. We're gonna do it from a little bit of a different angle, and I'm gonna show you guys what these lanyards go to. All right, so let's take a quick look at that. So the lanyards, these little lanyards right here, are actually for, let me find, here it is. They're actually for these orange caps, well, for these caps. So on these caps you have these little stickers right here. So you take a lanyard and you put it over that. Alright, and then according to the instructions, that's what me and Ken like to call them, according to the instructions, it tells you to, says take one of these lanyards, attach it to the tote tank and to the 3-inch, to the orange 3-inch cap. Attach cap to sewer hose connection. All right, so black cap does not go there. Orange cap goes there. There we go. All right, so then you take this other one, and you pop it on right there. That just keeps you from losing that cap. All right. And then it says to attach 2 lanyards to tote tank and 1 to each of the 2 small black caps. Attach both caps to the tote tank for rinse and flush connections. Attach the 4-in-1 elbow adapter to the end of the clear elbow and turn to lock in place. All right, so we know about these. All right, here's where your other black cap goes. So you got 2 black caps that go on this hose. All right. Your lanyards are going to go here. So it's going to go, back this up. You got one lanyard that's going to go right here. Then you have a little spot right here beside this black one. Alright. Then you're going to take this lanyard, put it on this cap, and put it right here. Alright. And what this does, it just prevents you from losing these caps, okay? That's what this does. Prevents you from losing these caps. Prevents you from losing this cap. So whenever you get ready to dump it, all right, just take it off and it can dangle there. You dump it, put it back on, and you're good. All right, so that was us unboxing the Camco Rhino RV tote tank. It's a 21 gallon. I hope you guys enjoyed the unboxing of that. I've been waiting on this thing for a while. I finally had the money to get it, so I've been waiting on being able to get this tote tank. We are going on a few camping trips this year. The first one we're going on, I don't think we're going to need it because I have full hookups, but we do plan on going to some of these state parks and the Corps of Engineer parks. We like those kind of parks, and this thing's going to come in handy there. Again, don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, leave a comment below, share our videos, and just let us know what you think. If you have you know, a different experience with this RV tote tank, like I said, I'm brand new to this tote tank. I don't have any experience with it, but it's got a lot of reviews, a lot of great reviews on there, and I'm a Camco fan. So I'm kind of biased to them, but I know not everything that they sell is going to be the best in the world, but I think they've got a lot of good product. I think this had one of the highest ratings. This tote tank had one of the highest ratings, and so that's why I bought it, you know, because I'm a fan of theirs. Has one of the highest ratings. It's something that we need, and I think it is an essential because it will definitely help you out. You guys go look at it in the description below. Tell us what you think about it. Tell us what your experience with it is, and we thank you guys, we love you guys, and remember, this is God's country.